Thank you, Heidi. I appreciate your thoughtfulness and you're willing to share your culture with us. I hope to do you justice because that's one of the reasons I held back, was because I wanted to make sure that I didn't, take this fabric and then think, well, what am I going to do with it? And have it look like something that somebody just threw together and didn't have a specific theme. But it's very beautiful, and I will be planning something to go along with it soon. Definitely. I know animal prints are popular with a lot of people, so I'm not worried about, anything like that. Oh, this lead is pretty. And what else do we have? Some stencils and napkins. Napkins with animals. Beautiful. A little magazine. And all of these beautiful stencils of tribal women. And I believe these are Heidi's designs as well. Animal. Well, Heidi, again, I must say, you've taken my breath away with all of this beautiful stuff, and you're willing to share. And like I said, I just hope I can do you justice. This is going to have to be thought out well by me before I will attempt anything with it. I don't want to, do something haphazardly. So it was real pleasure to get this package from you today. Thank you again.